done before she gets here. Got a Big Mac, extra pickles, and large fries waiting just on me. She gives a little wink and she smacks my ass. Almost dropped my bottle, man, the girl's got some sass. She hands me the bag. She says it's time to eat. She thinks my Dadbod sexy. He really gets her heart. She's always cooking for me if I'm losing too much. She likes the way my belly's slightly hiding on my abs. She's also kinda crazy about my plumber's crack. I'm the only guy that truly seems to make her horny. She thinks my Dadbod sexy. I did some jumping jacks just to lose some weight. Gotta shed some pounds before it gets too late. Pumped a little iron and I did a few crunchies too. She said she likes my ball just the way that it is. She loves a little flapping that I'm built like this. One last truffle shuffle dance before we both get nude. She thinks my Dadbod sexy. He really gets her heart. She's always cooking for me if I'm losing too much. She likes the way my belly's slightly hiding on my abs. She's also kinda crazy about my plumber's crack. I'm the only guy that truly seems to make her horny. She thinks my Dadbod sexy. Well, she ain't into guys with those steroid builds, but if my gut's full of beer, man, she gets so thrilled. She thinks my Dadbod sexy. He really gets her heart. She's always cooking for me if I'm losing too much. She likes the way my belly's slightly hiding on my abs. She's also kinda crazy about my plumber's crack. I'm the only guy that truly seems to make her horny. She thinks my Dadbod sexy. She thinks my Dadbod sexy. She thinks my Dadbod sexy. Yeah. Man, I think that girl's out of her mind, but happy wife, happy life. Cheers to all the dads. Rock that ball.